It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, you're going to learn how to make this box and a matching card. My mom's birthday's coming up, and I thought that this would be helpful for anybody having a birthday coming up. So this might take 2 videos. So let's see, it depends on the length of the video. So stay tuned, let's get started. Okay, so I bought this craft paper right here, a sheet, and from Arizona a while back, and I'm going to use one. My mom's birthday's coming up, and I'm going to make a box for it and a matching card. So see, it has all kinds of stuff, and I like this one. So we're going to make a card and a box, to match. It'll be a nice gift you can use for any occasion, for birthdays or whatever. So, okay, so we're going to start off. This is a 12 by 12 craft sheet, and I'm going to take, my cutting board. Okay, you can use any one you want, but I have Stampin' Up, which is a good product here. And I'm going to put it in the 1 inch mark right here. Hopefully you can see clear, you guys out there. And I'm line it up. Okay. And again, might slide. Let's make it even on 1 all along, and take your scorer and score it all the way up. Do it a couple times, make sure it's a good score. And then I'm going to go to 2. And I'm going to do the same thing. 1 and 2. And I'm going to turn the paper and do it all the way around. So 1 and 2, all the way around. Yeah. Take this. Use one folder. And burnish all the edges. Nice and clean edges. There you go. The other parts, finish away. This in. And now that we've burnished it, I'm going to show you where to cut the edges. So I'm going to use this side because you can see it better. This is because of the pattern, it's hard to see it. So we're going to go this way. Alright. So we're going to cut up here. And I'm going to go all the way up here, right there, like that. I'm going to cut off these 2 on the bottom, and I'm going to cut the next one over here. All right. And we're going to go like this. We're going to give it a little wedge, because it'll fold and make nicer corners when you do that. All right. So we're going to come over here. And we're going to do the same thing. We'll match that side. We're going to go, just cut it like this. Match the same side. I'm going to cut it down here. Okay. Up here. There we go. Now, a little wedge on this side. A little wedge on that side. As you can see, they both match. Now we're going to flip it all the way the other way and do the same thing. Use whatever adhesive you'd like, but for a box, this is one of the stronger ones, this double-sided tape. So I'm going to use double-sided tape for this one. And we're going to go in here and down here. And we're going to do all 4 corners. This one, this one. All right. Now if you want to, just make sure the best adhesive, because a box, if you use I'm trying to think of the name of it, but the tape that rolls for videos, it's great, but some of the adhesives don't stick well. It's great for you doing a fast video, but in the end, it won't keep the box together. So, to me, I like the double-sided tape. Or you can use a stronger glue, like this one here. I would use tacky glue. Mine's just going to be wet and take a little time to dry, And this is dry right off the bat. So then we're gonna go and take the one side off, make sure it's firmly on there. Okay, I'm gonna go here and take it all off. All right. Actually, before I do that, hang on a minute. I'm also gonna put some on the outer edges. Like this. It's gonna go on this side because this is gonna fold over. So. There. Let's use the scissors here. Straighten up. Now, this. Everywhere where you got the tape, just make sure it's on good. Hold it with your bone folder. And clip the extra stuff off. Hold it here. Alright, so make sure the adhesive's on really good. Alright, then, okay, I already did this one. I'm going to come across and make this as even as I can to the corner. Okay, then we'll go over here. And we're going to do all the corners first, and then they'll do the upper edge after. Alright. Take this. And I'm gonna, a little off. That's because of the scoring. Be careful when you score. You know, you see the lines really good. And I'm gonna be burnishing it all. Alright. Now that's the top. Now we're gonna show you the bottom part of the box. Alright, I'm gonna put that aside. And I'm gonna pick another one that I like to match with this. And they're all kind of coordinating colors. So I thought I would take one like this. See, this looks kind of nice. I'm gonna do this one here. It's tough to do. There we go. There we go. All right. All right. So let's move on to the bottom of the box. Now this one I'm going to score at 2 inches. I'll move the lid out of the way for now. I'm going to go 2 inches. Now this one I'm going to be very calm. It slides, so try not to get it to slide, because that's where your issue is. Okay, so I'm going to score it. Make it do this several times until you got a nice score line. Yep, that looks better. Okay, we're going to go here. Line it up, keep it straight. I have more to hold on to on this one. This is at 2 inches. Several times score. Turn it around. All the corners are gonna do. Okay, all right. Now, you know what I'm gonna do this time? Because it's so hard to see, I'm gonna show you this way. All right. I'm gonna go this way, but we're gonna turn it around. And then you can see that I'm really scoring it nice. Use a foam folder again, but I'm going to turn this. Now, of course, you could use this, the plain side on the outside, and this on the inside would look pretty for the box, but I'm not going to do that for this one. I want it to look nice. Okay, so now you got it really good. Let's do the other way. I'm only doing that because I can't see the lines very good on this pattern. Otherwise, you could just score it the one way. And perfect. Last one. All right. Now, how we're going to do the corners, I just have to cut one side here. We're going to go all the way straight. All right, like that. And again, take a little wedge out of here. just a little bit to the corner. This corner better. All right, now flip it around to the other side. Right here, cut straight down. A little bit of a wedge. Another little bit of a wedge. All right, now, there we go. And you see it this way? We're gonna flip it around so you see it like that. And we're gonna cut. Now, so I'm gonna go basically like this. So you're gonna have to turn it around and put them on this piece right here. So this one I might add 3 because it's a bigger edge. So I'm gonna go there, one in the middle. Maybe I go overkill, but I would rather it stay together than fall apart. So there we go. And over here. And again, the tape wasn't good. Just furnishing them all a little bit. There, going forward there. Turn them around. And here too. Now, this is the trick. Make sure the corners are nicely set. So we're going to do one at a time. That didn't quite glue on there. Wait, make sure. There we go. That's better. Take this off. And this one will do. There we go. And look, I like to fold them as even as we can on the corners. Even if I got to trim it at the top. Make sure it's in. Okay, then we'll go here. Alright, and I'm going to go right again. Right at the corner. Now if I see any little bit of edges when I'm doing this, I just take a little scissors and tweak it a bit. So it makes a nice finish. Just a little. That's not bad. Good. It looks good. I mean, I think it's a very nice box. It doesn't take that long to make. Now we're going to take the lid, and it may be a little bit tight. You want it a little bit tight anyways, so hold on to that. Let's put it in. Looks good. Yeah, looks nice. There we go. There, you got yourself a nice little box. Now, the next thing I was going to do, and it fits a nice, I'm going to show you the one I made already here. I have one kind of made here that, I'll show you. I put a whole shirt in here. See, it fits quite a bit. And then I'm going to take a ribbon and put it like this in the center, and I'm going to make like a faux bow, like just a little knot. All right, like this. Now I use it right from this thing so I don't waste, like right from the roll, so I don't waste as much. Put that in there. Okay, I love this ribbon. It's like see-through black, but it's so pretty. And then we're going to trim both sides. I should have my other scissors here, but okay. I'll do the trick with this one. So what I did was that I got a big one and a little one. I already had that in my stash because I have some die cuts that are butterflies, and I'm sure a lot of you have some, or you'll have whatever. So I'm going to figure out what I want, and then I thought I would decorate it. Like I said, I got the big one here already done. I got a little pearl, and I have little tinier pearls, which I thought would be a really cute thing. Right here. I'll take some glue. On there. Put it right here. So take a little stripe. There. I thought these were pretty, and I had a big one in my stash here. There's big ones here too. Oh, okay, put that back in there. Now we're going to take a little bit of a glue, the craft glue I like, and I'm going to put some here. Fold it up a little bit, and I'm going to put it like 3D a little bit. Got a lot of glue on there, but it'll dry up clear anyways. And then I'm gonna put some on this little one. And then maybe something like that. There. Now this will take a couple minutes to dry. But as you can see, I fit a whole shirt in it. It's a nice sized box. Let this dry a little bit, or you could use another adhesive, but I like the glue because the glue, once it's on there, it holds pretty good. You can just slide this off the ribbon and open it up, and there you have a nice little box. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, and share. And for now, I'll see you soon. Bye. Take care.